Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create these beautiful images with those abstract frames. Lots of people ask me how can we create these images, but actually the answer is way easier than expected. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment and hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep getting content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I just adding a new page, changing the background to any. Actually, I like this gradient. I just add this blue one at the moment. So going to the elements and scrolling down to the frames and searching for abstract frame cutout. And here we can find, this is the way how can we find those beautiful abstract frames. The thing is that easy. We do not really need to create ourselves. Actually, we can create lots of them are ourselves one by one if using different shapes, but lots of them already exist, so we do not need to redesign them. Like if I go into the first one, like just using this, just increasing the size a bit, and if we would let you see, as you can see, that was created by Chloe Ledesma. We can view more, or in the bottom part we can go to the view collection, and if you click on it, we find more and more from her collections. That's a very useful part. So if you find one which is good for us, might be to also profitable to check the collection, because in this case we might find a even better one for us. So I'm also adding like this. So, and the only thing what we need, we just need to search for something. I just use the same image. And also going to here and dig on this image again. So, and now we already have this beautiful abstract frame effect. So now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button. Sorry. And subscribe to my channel. Leave comment in the comment section. First of all, to feed the algorithm, and also if you're struggling anything in a Canva, just let me know and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the links in the description, where you can find the links for my TikTok page, Instagram page, and Facebook page, where you can find lots of another great tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in the Facebook page. As I mentioned already, you can find links in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.